Do you love barbecued chicken wings? Don't have a grill? Try these easy, delicious barbecued chicken wings baked in the oven. So easy. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy and cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and this is my dad, Don. And today we are going to make delicious barbecued chicken wings. And we usually make chicken wings or barbecued chicken on the grill, but today we're going to make it in the oven.
That's good. We'll try something new.
It's so easy. We're just going to bake it, and they're going to be delicious. So the first thing that you need to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and I already did that. Next, we're going to go ahead and put our chicken wings, 6 to 8 chicken wings, we're going to put them in our baking dish. And if you use more than 6 wings, you'll need a bigger baking dish. This is like an 8 by 8 baking dish. But you could also do like 4, or you could make 8. But usually 6 to 8 chicken wings. So
if I don't eat them all today, I'll have them for tomorrow.
Yeah, they're so good. We've already had some chicken wings recently, and the leftovers are good too, so you can make extra. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and brush the chicken wings with barbecue sauce, and just choose your favorite barbecue sauce, and you're going to just pour a little on the wings, and then we're going to go ahead and spread them around with a brush. So all the chicken wings are completely covered. Here, you can go ahead and spread it, and I'll add some more if we need some more. So what kind is your favorite barbecue sauce? You could use actually all different kinds. Have a different style each time. And you can add more or less barbecue sauce as you like it. I think I like more. And actually, while it's cooking, we're going to, with a spoon or a brush, get the juices and kind of baste it over. That looks good. So next we have about 2 tablespoons of molasses, and kind of more or less how you like it. We're just going to drizzle it over the top. Does this smell good or what?
It looks good and smells good.
Okay, so that's it. Next we're going to go ahead and put them in the oven, and they'll cook for about 35 to 45 minutes. We'll start checking them at 35, but before that we're going to baste some of the juices over the top so they stay nice and moist. So we'll go to the oven next, okay? Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the barbecued chicken wings in the oven at 350 degrees. And we'll cook them about 35 to 45 minutes, and we're going to come back in about 10 or 15 minutes to baste them. Okay, we're going to go ahead and check on our barbecued chicken wings. Let's go ahead and baste them a bit. You can use a spoon or a brush. You just take some of the sauce and then spread it all over the chicken to keep the chicken nice and moist, and it's going to be barbecue-y delicious. Okay, and then we'll just put it back in. We're going to bake it a little longer, and we'll baste it again. So we're going to check our barbecued chicken and go ahead and baste it again. We've done this on the grill before, huh?
Many times, so this will be new. Okay, I think we got it all.
All right. Okay, so I think our barbecued chicken wings are done. Let's check them. It smells so amazing. Well, let's look at those. Wow, sizzling, delicious. So let's go try them. Okay, so our barbecued chicken wings are finished. They smell amazing. Are you ready to try them?
I'm ready.
Okay. So first, let's just take a peek at one, make sure it's cooked all the way through. I'm pretty sure it is. And you just want to look, make sure the juices run clear, and it looks perfect. So, you're ready to try these.
There we go.
I got a lot of napkins because we might need them. Really messy, really delicious. Okay, you ready to try some?
Yep.
It's gonna be good. Amazing. Super messy, but it's really good. Try it, let me know how it turns out, and I'll see you in the next lesson. And make sure to subscribe and push that bell button if you want more easy, healthy recipes.